Hello and welcome to our interior design series. Today, we're going to explore creative ways to transform your side yard into a low-maintenance oasis. We'll be using various components to achieve a functional and visually appealing outdoor space. So, let's dive right in. First, let's discuss pathways. Gravel or crushed stone pathways provide an elegant yet low-maintenance option. Pavers and stepping stones can also create a defined walkway through your backyard. Next, we'll introduce mulch beds to cover planting areas, reducing weed growth. Pair these with drought-tolerant plants that require minimal watering and care. Now, let's talk about rock gardens. Incorporating rocks and boulders adds a natural touch while reducing maintenance. Raised garden beds are excellent for vegetables or flowers, and permeable pavers help manage rainwater runoff effectively. Consider replacing natural grass with artificial turf for a lush look with no mowing or watering. Plus, installing durable fencing enhances privacy and security. Adding trellises and arbors creates vertical interest, and outdoor lighting enhances safety and ambience. Collect rainwater with rain barrels to conserve water for your low-maintenance garden. Don't forget to choose weather-resistant outdoor furniture for relaxation. Retaining walls can level or separate areas, and privacy screens made of wood, metal, or composite materials keep your space intimate. Opt for container gardens to add flexibility, and install a drip irrigation system for efficient watering. Lastly, use garden edging materials to define garden beds, decorative grates for drainage, and outdoor art or sculptures for that personal touch. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide to decorating your low-maintenance side yard using these fantastic components. By combining these elements, you can create a functional and beautiful outdoor space that requires minimal upkeep. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you're inspired to transform your side yard into a true oasis of relaxation and beauty. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rawfhome.com.